The following is an instructional video on how to divide polynomials using the synthetic division method. So in this example, I want to divide this third degree polynomial by a first degree polynomial. And the synthetic division method uses only the coefficients of the polynomial. So I'm going to just set up this box where I just copy the coefficients of each term of the third degree polynomial. So the first term has a coefficient of 1, the next term has a coefficient of -4, then 7, and then just 1, which is or -1, which is the constant. You need to ensure that the terms are listed in order by the power of the term. So this is already in the correct order. And then outside the box, we want to write the constant of that first degree polynomial, except that we need to change the sign. So in this example, the constant is -2, so I just write 2 instead. So the first step is to just copy down or bring down the first term. So I'm going to bring down the first term, which happens to be 1. And next we want to take the constant that I have outside the box, multiply it by that first term, and write the outcome underneath the next term. So 2 times 1, which is just 2. And then just add the 2 terms. So -4 plus 2, which is just -2. And then I repeat the process. So I have 2 times -2, which is -4. So I write the -4 underneath the next term. -4 plus 7, which is -3. And then I repeat the process again. And then I take 2 times -3, which is -6. Oh, I'm sorry, this should have been +3. +3. So 2 times 3, which is +6. And then -1 plus 6, which is just 5. And then these are going to be the coefficients of the answer of our new trinomial that is the result of this division. So the answer is going to be x squared. We want 1 degree lower than the original polynomial. The coefficient is 1, so that's why I can just leave it as x squared. The next term has a coefficient of -2, so minus 2x plus the constant of 3 plus 3 plus I have a remainder. This last term is actually the remainder. If it's 0, then you do not have a remainder, but in this case we have a remainder of 5. So plus 5 over x minus 2. So I can just write it as x minus 2. And this is how you perform synthetic division of a polynomial divided by a first degree polynomial.